got this train leaving for, I think it's the 12:55 LNER service to Aberdeen. Brakes have been released and we're off. And that's going to be worked by 800 107.
Cannon Express service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Victoria.
Not too sure what time this train is.
Street,
I think it's,
Darlington,
say 12:59.
Leeds, Huddersfield,
It's going at a very, very slow pace out the station.
and Liverpool Lime Street.
Worked by 800 106.
Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Chester Street or Newton Willows, you will need to travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Platform 6
Another
for
news.
the 1301
The pigeon.
Trans-Pennine Express service to